Morning guys, just getting ready because Tim is coming home today and we have to get down to the airport and pick him up. I'm so excited. If you're new here guys, I'm Sandy and my husband and I, Tim, live in our Sprinter van full time. He flies in, flies out for work, so I'm on my own on occasion, which is why you see a lot of solo vlogs. But I'm picking him up today. I'm very excited. I'm just getting ready now and get back to you in a minute. Alright, I think I'm ready now. This is a view you haven't seen in a while. I tend not to start here because when Tim's away, this is, you know how you have a chair that's got stuff on it? This is the chair. But it's all clear now because we need the room. So, on my way down to pick Tim up today, we have a big day today actually. We are going to get rid of this fridge. We're going to pick up a new fridge. I have to pack a bag because I'm going to Brisbane tomorrow. So we're going to get one night together guys. One night and then I'm away for a couple more. I'm so excited to see Tim back. But I've got to, if you don't know guys, our fridge died when Tim is away. So I've emptied it all out and I didn't actually give it a deep clean, so I'm thinking we're just throwing it. So, but Tim's like, don't open it, don't open it. I haven't opened it. There's a lovely couple that have accepted our fridge for us that live in Adelaide and we are so grateful to you guys. I must email them actually this morning and let them know it's turning up today. So as soon as it arrives at their place, we're going to pick it up because we don't want them to hold it and be worried that we're not going to come and get it. We're going to come and get it today. If it's delivered today, obviously. But let me just email them and then we'll hit the road. It's going to be a good day. Oh, I'm ready to go. It's an hour away from here. I'm ready for this drive. It's so cold, my hands are cold. I'll put Pablo on in case I forget later. Hello, Pablo. He's tucked in, ready for the drive. Alright guys, cue driving scene now. Right, we are at the airport. I'm just at a viewing area just to watch the planes come in and stuff. It's a bit quieter than the other viewing area I was at, but I think the other viewing area was a bit better because the planes came directly over the van and stuff. This one, I think we're a little bit too far away. I was hoping to get some footage, but I don't think I'll be able to. Never mind. Let's just sit here and wait for the message.
1 hour later.
I've just received the text. He has landed. I also got the flight number this time. If you don't remember, last time I waited for him at a viewing area, he was like 40 minutes late or 50 minutes late or something. So this time I got him to text me when he left, when he's on the runway ready to go and the flight was ready. So I knew he was 25 minutes late and I watched his plane come in and I flight tracked it because I had the number. Learn from our experiences. All right, he said he's ready to be picked up, so let's head in. Where's my keys? Oh, they're here. Let's go. Welcome home! Welcome home!
Finally!
Yes! We've decided to go have breakfast this morning because we haven't seen each other for a long time. We're both hungry and need coffee. So...
Yes, definitely need a coffee.
Yeah, we're just going to have breakfast, spend some time together and we'll get back to you, hopefully, on our way to pick up the fridge.
Yes, hopefully.
Or get rid of one.
It's out for delivery today.
One of the two.
Yeah, one's going in, one's going out. That's what's going to happen today.
I don't put you to work straight away, but we have no fridge.
I know.
We've all missed you, haven't we,
Yeah,
guys?
it's because everything's broken.
No. All right, the time has come to get rid of this fridge. I think what we're going to do is get the fridge out, because we're still waiting on the fridge to be delivered, a new one, aren't we? So
Yeah.
we'll go to the
Recycling centre.
the recycling centre, get it ripped out of here and try and get rid of it there. They'd probably charge us, but
I don't know, they didn't charge us for the mattress.
no, they didn't, but they could have.
They could have, but we gave them a sob story. We're
fridge
poor YouTubers, we can't afford it.
Yeah, it's going to be a mission, I think, today, that
We can't afford a house, and now we've got no fridge.
our fridge is broke. All right then, let's make a move. All right, I haven't stopped at the best spot, but
It's pretty.
it's pretty, but very in the sun. But anyway,
Well, we've got the doors open.
should be fine.
It's not exactly super hot. Oh, that stinks.
You told me not to clean it out, so I didn't.
No.
I thought we were just going to chuck it.
We are. I've just got to take these. I've got to take the fridge monitors and stuff off.
Oh right, yeah. You're carrying on now.
You left that in there. Oof. It's not good.
Oh, let's open the doors.
Open the window.
Open the doors and windows, please. Someone's carrying on a bit about the smell. I haven't opened the fridge, honestly, so I wouldn't actually know. But you told me not to.
It's not good smell.
Yeah.
Not a good smell
There
at
is
all.
bottles of wine in the bottom.
Yeah, we have to rescue them.
Yeah, might want to rescue them out of there. Plus a decanter. It's pretty bad. Eh? Just a note, guys. He did tell me not to touch the fridge. He told me to turn it off.
That's it, yeah, you don't need to clean it, but like,
don't clean it. So I didn't.
fridges just ming up real quick.
Yeah, it's a horror day. Yeah, no. That's not open though.
It's not.
Nah.
Yeah, I think that's going.
Yeah, but chuck them anyway. Chuck them anyway. Oh. Ugh. Guys, you can't smell this, but it's horrid.
It's ripe. That's all I can say. Ripe.
All right, while he's doing that, guys, I saw a book swap. So I'm gonna get rid of this rubbish and go see if we've got Kiss the Girls. I know someone said you have it, but if I can get it here, it'll be quicker. Yeah, this looks like a little book swap here, doesn't it? Let's have a look. The chances are slim, but you gotta keep looking, eh? Nothing. Not even one James Patterson in there. Search continues. I get so excited when I see a book swap now. Problems, are you?
I put it in so well, it's not meant to come out.
Yeah.
It's just the cables for. I attached the cables for the aircon, so they didn't flap around in the wardrobe.
Oh yeah.
They were stuck to the side of the fridge, and that's what's stopping it coming out. So I've just got to disconnect them from the little cable ties. All the cables are tangled around everything. It's like,
Lucky we started this now and not. We're actually trying to get the other fridge in.
yeah.
Which one? The bottom? Bottom?
The grey one, yeah, the one that's round that grey pipe.
Oh, I see. What's this? A Starlink cable?
Yeah. Careful. Might just need to give it a wiggle to get through.
It's stuck. Right, she's out. This is quite a big fridge when you bring it actually out of its.
Yeah, when it comes out of its holder.
So what I'm going to do when you drive, just hold on to it.
We'll figure that out. But I can see why it's struggling. The vent's absolutely clogged up.
Is it?
Yeah.
I wonder where it blew up then.
Come here. Look. The cooler there is absolutely thick with dust.
Oh, yuck.
that's probably what killed it.
That's gross. Whereabouts is this place? Is it Harvey Norman or?
No, Harvey Norman doesn't do recycling.
Oh, I thought
it's a recycling centre we're going first.
Right.
And then the mess that I make we're going to need to clean up, so then we're going to have to go to the car wash. And then when we get to the car wash and we're all nice and clean, then we can start looking at microwaves.
Oh yeah, spoilers. We might be getting a microwave.
Not might.
We're getting a microwave. We've survived without a microwave for so long, and now we're finally going to get one. I think it's going to change the way I eat when I'm solo, because sometimes I can't be bothered. We're
going to get a lot more convenience out of it.
Yeah, it's going to be a lot better. And I don't think it uses that much power because it's only on for like 5 minutes.
It's 1,000 watt. It won't even use hardly any. It won't use as much as, well, when it's running, it's using as much as the air fryer, but it won't be running for 25-30 minutes like we use the air fryer.
No, it's only on for 5 minutes. If you're reheating something, you know, leftovers and stuff. Anyway, all right, let's get this mission started. Now the fun is trying to get this fridge out of the van. Unscrewing it's one thing, but getting it out it's another thing. I'll get the trolley.
You get the trolley.
All right, second stop for today.
Next.
Harvey Norman. Let's see if we can find. All right, so it can't be any wider than 45 centimeters. This is going to be tough. Okay, so this one is a. What is it?
What is it?
44 and a half.
Yeah, 45.
45.
With the pump on the side.
Oh, okay, right. Well, that's a.
We're looking at that sort of size.
Yeah. That's nice, sleek. All right, we have gone for the Hisense 800 watt machine.
Let's see if that works, hey?
Yeah, hopefully that'll work.
Add a little bit of luxury to the vehicle.
A smidgen too big, but.
Hey, I've got to get the fridge in here yet.
We're going to make it work. Yeah, the fridge is about
the fridge that's going in is slightly bigger, so that's going to be fun to get in because the other one was hard to get out, so.
Yeah, mission. We're going to wait. Now we're just going to wait for the fridge to be delivered, so.
Yeah.
Let's hang around here, right?
Possibly. I don't know, we need to wash this van, it's filthy.
Oh, okay, car wash then.
Yep, car wash.
Well, we have just been told that our fridge has been delivered to our lovely subscriber who is accepting it for us. It's kind of good timing because you had the car washed and we've got everything. So now we can go pick it up. I hope it fits.
It's been a long day.
It's been a very long day. We'll see you after we pick it up, guys.
One eternity later.
What a day. It has been such a long day. We thought we were going to get, I thought I was going to pick up Tim, go straight to get the fridge, and then we'll have a little bit of sorting out, maybe get a microwave, not sure. Have a bit of a cruisy day. We're meant to go out on a date for dinner tonight. Don't have time. It's now 7:16.
We did have breakfast together.
We did have breakfast. But there'll be more time.
It's chaos, and if you can probably see, it's just absolute chaos back there.
Look at it.
That we can't
Look, let me show you.
We can't even sit.
Look at the back. This is why we're sitting at the front. I know Pablo wants to go for a walk. He's just eaten. But it's just absolute chaos in here. We're going to have a bit of time trying to sort this out. We need to do some washing, and
yeah, we just need to get ourselves settled because you are flying out tomorrow at 11 in the morning.
Yeah.
And I get 3 days to turn this. 2 days to turn this, and probably about a million other jobs that need fixing as well, into something usable. So
One day
you can join us next episode for that, because that'll be you, me, and this mess.
Yeah, enjoy that, guys. I'll be in Brisbane. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you just pressing the play button and coming along with us on this crazy ride we're having. And if you haven't subscribed, please do that now. And a big thank you to all our members and our Patreons. We appreciate every single one of you, all your help you give me too when I'm solo. 100%. I appreciate you guys so much. But we will see you next time. I've got to take him out because he's growling.
He's grumbling.
He's a very demanding G.